Welcome second year BSc student, paper number MTH 301, calculus of several variable, video number 32. Unit number 4, double and triple integration. This is video to change the order of double integration. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. Change the order of integration. Many double integration can be conveniently evaluated if the order of integration is changed. Means in many integration, if the order will be changed, then the integration will be easily evaluated. We can change the order of integration. Method how to change the order of integration. Step number 1. Check the given order of integration. Then to change the order in reverse. If required order is dx dy, then draw horizontal strip. If required order is dy dx, then draw vertical strip. Third one, by using given bounded region, find the limit of new order. Means method to change order of integration. First check the given order. The new order is reverse of this order. If required order is dx dy, then draw horizontal strip. If required order is dy dx, then draw vertical strip. By using given bounded region, find the limit of new order. Example first. Interchange the order of the integration. Integration 0 to 4. Integration 0 to root y f of xy dx dy. First check the order of given integration and change this order. Given this order, forget this order, this is not a proper order. So for that, first check the order by using given integration. These are constant value. These limits are variable. This is a variable. This term is in terms of y. So this is value of x. Means second integration is value of x and first integration value of y. Therefore, given integration 0 to 4, integration 0 to root y f of xy dx dy equal to first integration value of y varies from 0 to 4. Second integration value of x varies from 0 to root y. Because this is in terms of y, so this is value of x. F of first integration with respect to x, second integration with respect to y. Means given order is dx dy. Given order is dx dy. Now change this order as dy dx. Change this order to dy dx. Here y varies from 0 to 4 and x varies from 0 to root y. So region bounded by y is 0, y is 4. Y is 0, y is 4. Next one, x is 0 and x is root y. Region bounded by y is 0, y is 4, x is 0, x is root y. First three equation are equation of line, but this is not a equation of line. This is a curve. So squaring both sides, we get x square equal to y. We get this equation is x square equal to y. This is a parabola. This is a parabola whose opening above the y-axis. Draw the diagram, x-axis, y-axis and origin. This point is origin. This line is x-axis. This line is y-axis. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. First line y equal to 0. First line y equal to 0. Second line y equal to 4. Y equal to 4 is a line parallel to x-axis. This point parallel to x-axis, this point is 1, then this is 2, 3 and draw here 4. Y equal to 4. This line is y equal to 4. Line parallel to x-axis is y equal to 4. Next one, x equal to 0, x equal to 0. Equation of y-axis. Now draw parabola x square equal to y. This parabola whose vertex is origin and opening above the x-axis. Opening above the x-axis. This parabola whose equation is x square equal to y. Now required region in between y is 0. Y is 0, y is 4. First line y is 0, second line y is 4, third line x is 0 and parabola. So this is required region. So this is a required region. This is required region. Now find the point of intersection. This point. This point is point of intersection of line y equal to 4 and parabola x square equal to 4y. So put the value of y is 4 here. So x square equal to 4. So x equal to plus 2 or minus 2. So in the first quadrant x is plus, value of x is x coordinate 2 and value of y is y coordinate 4. So this point is 2, 4. Coordinate of this point is 2, 4. And this point is minus 2, 4. Now in given integration, limits of y are constant. In new integration, find limit of x are constant. So for that, in this region, x varies from this line to this line. X varies from this line to this line. Here equation of this line is parallel to y-axis, so whose equation is x equal to 2. Means x varies from 0 to 2. Limit of x are constant, x varies from 0 to 2. Now find the value of y in terms of x. Y varies from. So for that, draw a strip parallel to y-axis. Draw a strip parallel to y-axis. Now here value of y is x square and here value of y is 4. Means y varies from x square to 4. X varies from 0 to 4 and y varies from parabola to line x square to 4. And therefore given integration 0 to 4, 0 to root y, f of xy dx dy is equal to new integration limit 0 to 2, next integration limit x square to 4, f of xy dy dx is required answer. Now example second, change the order of integration limit 0 to 4, integration limit y upon 2 to root y, f of xy dx dy. Now first check the proper order. So given integration limit 0 to 4, second integration limit y upon 2 to root y, f of xy dx dy. This integration have limit in terms of y. Mean these are values of x and outside the limit these are values of y. Means y varies from 0 to 4 and x varies from y upon 2 to root y, f of xy dx dy. So this is the order of integration. Therefore given order is dx dy. Now change this order to dy dx. Now for that new order, find the limits of integration. So for that, first draw the diagram by using the given limit. Given limit are y varies from 0 to 4 and x varies from y upon 2 to root y. So region bounded by y is equal to 0, y equal to 4, x equal to y upon 2 and x equal to root y. Now simplify these equation. First two equation as it is, y is 0, y is 4. Now this equation multiply by 2. So we get 2x equal to y, and in this equation squaring both side we get x square equal to y. First three equation are equation of line and this last equation is equation of parabola. Now draw the sketch, draw the diagram, x axis, y axis, origin. This point is origin, this line is x axis whose equation is y equal to 0. This line is y axis whose equation is x equal to 0. Next line is, first line y is 0, next line y equal to 4. Y equal to 4, this line is parallel to x axis. This line is y equal to 4. This line is parallel to x axis. Next line 2x equal to y. This line passing through origin in this way, this line is 2x equal to y. Now point on this line, when x is 1, y is 2. Suppose this point here, x is 1, then y is 2. And when x is 2, y equal to 4. So this point, when x is 2, y is 4. Therefore equation of this line is 2x equal to y. Next one, parabola x square equal to y, opening above the x axis, passing through origin. This is a parabola whose equation is x square equal to y. Now find the required region. Required region is in between line y is 0, this line, y equal to 4, this line, 2x equal to y, this line, and parabola x square equal to y. In between these four lines, this is a required region. This is a required region. Now change the limit. In given limit, y is constant limit. Now the limit of x are constant. So x equal to 0 and find here the value of x. First find out coordinate of this point of intersection. Here y equal to 4. Put the value of y is 4 in equation of line. So 2x equal to 4. We get x equal to 2. So point of intersection is value of x is 2 and value of y is 4. This point of intersection is 2, 4. This point is 2, 4. Now draw the line parallel to y-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis, whose equation is x equal to 2. Means new limit x varies from 0 to 2. Now find the limit of y. So for that, draw vertical strip parallel to the y-axis in this way. Now here on the parabola, value of y, equation of parabola x square equal to y means value of y is x square. Y is x square, and on the equation of line, value of y is 2x. Means y varies from x square to 2x. X varies from 0 to 2 and y varies from x square to 2x. And therefore given integration, limit 0 to 4, integration y upon 2 to root y, f of xy dx dy is equal to new integration limit x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from x square to 2x, f of xy dy dx. This is change the order of given integration. Example number 3. Change the order of the integration. Integration limit minus a to plus a. Next integration limit 0 to square root a square minus x square, f of xy dx dy. First check the order of given integration. Given integration limit minus a to plus a, integration limit 0 to square root a square minus x square, f of xy dx dy equal to. Now in second integration, limit is in terms of x, so these are values of y. This is value of y, so these are values of x. So is equal to integration x varies from minus a to plus a, y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square, f of xy dy dx. Means order is dy dx. Given order is dy dx, change this order to dx dy. Now by changing the order, find the new limits. So for that, first by using given limits, draw the diagram. Given limits are x varies from minus a to plus a and y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square. So region bounded by x is minus a, x equal to plus a, y is equal to 0 and y equal to square root of a square minus x square. In the last equation, squaring both sides, we get y square equal to a square minus x square. Write down minus x square on left hand side, so we get x square plus y square equal to a square. This is equation of circle in standard form, means center origin and radius is a. This is circle with center origin, radius a. So for that point, draw the diagram. X axis, y axis, origin. This point is origin. This line x axis, whose equation is y equal to 0. This line is y-axis, whose equation is x equal to 0. Now draw the circle whose center origin radius a, center origin and radius a. So this is a circle, center origin radius a. So this point is a0 and this point is minus a0. Now draw the line x equal to minus a, x equal to minus a passing through point minus a0 and parallel to y-axis. This line is x equal to minus a. Next line x equal to plus a. This line passing through point a0 and parallel to y-axis. This line is x equal to plus a. Now the region bounded by x is minus a. This line x equal to plus a. This line y equal to 0 mean this line and circle. In between these four lines, this region is required region. Now change the order of integration in this region. In given integration, the values of x are constant. Now find the values of y as a constant. Here y equal to 0 and in this region draw the line parallel to x-axis. Draw the line parallel to x-axis. Now radius is a, so equation of this line is y equal to a. Y is 0, y is a. So y varies from 0 to a. Y varies from 0 to a. Now draw the strip. Draw the horizontal strip parallel to x-axis. Now find the limit in this region. Find the limit in this region. means find the value of x in this region. By using equation of circle x square plus y square equal to a square, we get x square equal to a square minus y square, and therefore x equal to plus or minus square root of a square minus y square, means x varies from minus of square root a square minus y square to square root a square minus y square, and y varies from 0 to a. Therefore given integration is equal to integration y varies from 0 to a, x varies from minus of square root a square minus y square to square root a square minus y square f of xy dx dy. This is change of order of integration. Next, example number 4. Change the order of integration. First integration limit 0 to 4. Second integration limit 0 to square root 4x minus x square f of xy dx dy. First check the proper order. Given integration is integration limit 0 to 4, integration limit 0 to square root 4x minus x square f of xy dx dy. In second integration, the limit is in terms of x. So this is value of y. This is value of y. So first integration limit values of x. So is equal to integration x varies from 0 to 4, y varies from 0 to square root 4x minus x square f of xy. Now this is integration with respect to y dy dx. Order in given integration is dy dx. Change this order to dx dy. Order in given integration is dy dx, change to dx dy. Now find the new limit by using new order. Now in given integration x varies from 0 to 4 and y varies from 0 to square root 4x minus x square. Therefore region bounded by x is 0, x is 4, y equal to 0 and y equal to square root of 4x minus x square. Now in last term squaring both sides, so we get y square equal to 4x minus x square. Squaring both sides we get y square equal to 4x minus x square plus y square minus 4x equal to 0. This is equation of circle in general form. General form equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So compare these two equation, we get 2g is minus 4, so g equal to minus 2. 2f is 0, so f equal to 0, and c is also 0. So center of this circle is minus g minus f, so center is plus 2 0, and radius equal to square root of minus 2 square plus 4, f square 0, c is 0, and is equal to 2. Root 4 is 2. So center 2 0 and radius 2 is circle. First draw the diagram. Two line x axis y axis. This point is origin. This line x axis whose equation y equal to 0. This line y axis whose equation x is 0. Now the center of the circle is 2 0 on the x axis. Center 2 0. Now radius is 2. Radius 2, center 2 0, radius 2 means passing through origin. Therefore draw the circle passing through origin. Center 2 0, radius 2. So this point is 4 0. This point is 4 0. Now draw the line. X is 0. This first line. X equal to 4. X equal to 4 line parallel to y axis and passing through point 4 0. So this line is x equal to 4. X is 0, x is 4, y is 0, and circle. In between them is required region. In between them is a required region. Now in this region, find new limit. So first find the values of y. Y is 0 here, and here y equal to. Radius is 2. So draw the line parallel to x axis whose equation is y is equal to 2. Means y varies from 0 to 2. Y varies from 0 to 2. Now find the value of x. So draw horizontal strip parallel to x axis and find the values of x here. Find the values of x by using equation of circle. Therefore y varies from 0 to 2. Draw horizontal strip and find the values of x. So for that, consider equation of circle. X square minus 4x plus y square equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in x. So write down ABC here. A means coefficient of x square is 1. B is coefficient of x is minus 4, and C is a constant term as a y square. C equal to y square. We know the formula x equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put all the values of a, b, c here and simplify this. So x equal to minus b, so minus minus plus 4 plus minus square root b square means minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is y square upon 2 into a is 1, so only 2, equal to 4 plus minus square root 16 minus 4y square upon 2 equal to 4 plus minus inside the square root 4 common into bracket 4 minus y square, and root 4 is 2 into square root 4 minus y square upon 2. Separate two term. First term 4 upon 2 is 2 plus minus second term 2 upon 2, so remains only square root 4 minus y square. Therefore x varies from 2 minus square root 4 minus y square to 2 plus square root 4 minus y square. Therefore given integration equal to integration limit y varies from 0 to 2 and x varies from 2 minus square root 4 minus y square to 2 plus square root 4 minus y square f of xy dx dy. This is change the order of integration. Dear friend, subscribe the channel and share to our friend. Thank you.